Hello. This video is on salaries, specifically finding the annual salary or how much money you make per year when being paid a salary. On the right hand side, I have questions as they are likely to appear in Canvas. On the left hand side, I have the home screen of the consumer math course. I'm going to open a calculator and I'm going to open the notes. Going to enlarge the notes so that they have their own window and take up the full screen so they're easier to see. And I'm going to take the calculator and put it in mode 2 so when we deal with money, we have dollars and cents. We have two spaces beyond the decimal. We have the hundredth place or the nearest penny. So we are ready. Let's go back to the notes. There we go. Find the annual salary. Find the annual salary. Find annual pay. Okay, so we're going to go to salary, which I believe is at the bottom of the middle of page 3 in your notes. So here is the definition of salary, and here are the three expressions that go with it. To find the annual salary, that's what we're doing in this video. In future videos, we will find the salary per pay period, and then we will find the number of pay periods in the year. But for what we're doing today, we are finding the annual salary, which is straightforward. You're going to take how much money you make every pay period you work, and you're going to multiply that by how many pay periods there are in a year. So how much do you make when you get paid, and how often are you paid? How many times are you paid in the year? And then I also have down here that if you're paid weekly, that means you get 52 paychecks in a year. If you're paid bi-weekly, that's half as many. That means that there are 26 pay periods in a year. If you get paid monthly, there's 12 months. So that means you get paid 12 times a year. And if you get paid semi-monthly, that's twice a month. That would be 24 pay periods a year. So, depending on if you are getting paid weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or semi-monthly, depends on which of these four numbers you're going to do. So we're going to take how much you make in a pay period, and we're going to multiply it by basically one of these four numbers. Okay. All right, let's get to it. Get our calculator out here. Stephen Grant Rogers is paid $1,092.59 weekly. Steve's annual salary is. Okay, so here's the deal. This is what he earns. Okay, so he earns $1,092.59 every week that he is paid. So this is back in the 1900s or back in the early 2000s, and Stephen got a paycheck every Friday afternoon. The paycheck would show that he earned $1,092.59. Now that we're, in 2022, this is going to be directly deposited. So he's going to get a direct deposit, and his pay stub is going to say that he earned $1,092.59. So we're going to take what he earned this week, and we're going to multiply that by 52 because he's going to get that every week. That's what making a salary is about. If you're on a salary, you get this much money over the course of a year, and they break that up into pay periods. And this particular company that Stephen works for pays once a week. So $1,092.59 every week for 52 weeks means that Stephen's salary is $56,814.68. And it's that straightforward, friends. So, Savannah Bryan is a career coach. Her bi-weekly salary is $3,010. So she earns $3,010 bi-weekly. So every other week when she is paid, her pay will identify that she has earned $3,010. So bi-weekly is half as many weeks because you're paid every other week. So there's 26 pay periods. So we're going to take the amount of money that she made this pay period, which was $3,010, and we're going to multiply that by how many pay periods she's going to get that. So she's going to get, if you will, 26 checks. She's going to be paid every other week all year. So that would be 26 pay periods, 26 payments of $3,010. 26 times you earned $3,010, which means in a year's time you will have earned $78,260 and 0 cents. Please be sure to put the .00 in there. You must have the dollar sign. You must have the comma between the 8,000 and the 200. You must have the decimal, and you must have 00. Go ahead, if you would. Pause the video. Try question 3. Restart the video and see how we did. Marianne Ellis earns $3,214.83 each pay period. So that is how much she earns every pay period. Marianne is paid semi-monthly. So semi-monthly, so we're going to go back here. Semi-monthly is twice a month. So semi-monthly, there's 24 semi-months in a year. Okay? So we're going to take how much she earns per pay period, which is, how much does she earn every pay period? $3,214.83. And she is paid that amount of money 24 times in a year. So times 24. So Marianne's pay is $77,155.92. Make sure that you have the dollar sign, the comma between 1,000 and 100, and the decimal between the dollars and the cents. And that is it, my friends. If you have any questions, be sure to email me. If there's any issue you have whatsoever, email me or let me know in class. Definitely touch base and work on it. You got this. Thank you.